Welcome to Sainath Hospital, a center of excellence in healthcare, combining expertise, compassion, and state-of-the-art facilities. With a spacious, patient-friendly campus and a welcoming environment, Sainath Hospital is designed to make every visit stress-free and comfortable. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our hospital offers precision and innovation in every aspect of diagnosis, treatment, and recovery. As a multi-specialty hospital, we provide comprehensive care in orthopedics, general medicine, pediatrics, cardiology, and more. Our orthopedic department specializes in bone and joint care, offering advanced treatments for injuries, fractures, and mobility restoration. Our team of highly skilled doctors, nurses, and support staff work tirelessly to ensure the best care for every patient. Beyond the hospital walls, we are committed to supporting our community through health camps and outreach initiatives. At Sainath Hospital, we don't just treat illnesses, we care for lives. Trust us to be your partner in health and healing.